The topic of Session 5 is diverse parenting. I think we all know that there are many different ways to parent. And hopefully you are going to find as you work through this session that the type of parenting that occurs in the home has a lot to do with how the parents were parented. For Session 5, you will complete a portion of Chapter 12 for the assigned reading. You'll start where Chapter 12 starts on page 254, and you will read until you get to the end of the child rearing theories, which includes a chart. Then you will move to the single parent issues section, which will be on pages 273 and 274. Once you finish your assigned reading, you will begin the Parenting Styles Journal. There is a video at the top that you will click the link to watch. I hope you will enjoy this video as much as my other SOC 213 students have reported enjoying in the past. This really kind of opens up some eyes for some students as they analyze the type of parenting that occurred in their own homes as they were growing up. Now remember, when we submit a journal, it's very important to follow the formatting. So you are going to copy and paste the formatting that exists between the two dotted lines on your screen. You will copy that. You will click Start or Edit My Journal Entry, and in the entry box, you will paste. Now remember, you have to answer these in paragraph form. Make sure that you proofread your entry before hitting save and that you have given this enough effort to earn full credit. Make sure when you're finished that you change your response to a different color font. When you're done, you will click the blue Save Changes button, and that submits right to Moodle. The second assignment for Session 5 is the Session 5 lecture notes. Session 5 lecture notes, remember, will be in a template that you have to make a copy for. You can watch Ms. Guy's direction video that walks you through completing the diverse parenting lecture notes. There is not a lecture to watch for this particular assignment. This is actually outlining for you as you read the assigned reading what you should be taking notes on and paying attention to. Let me remind you again, when we do Cornell notes, you do not write in the left-hand column. That is where questions, main ideas, vocabulary terms, important points are listed. Your writing occurs on the right-hand side. Make sure that you're not missing things on the right-hand side. Your notes go in each section in a different colored font. You do not need to change the type of font. You just need to change the color. And finally, your writing activity for Session 5 is entitled Family, Class, and Childhood. Again, you will have to click on the template to make a copy. When you get to the writing activity, there will be a video for you to watch. This video is of sociologist Annette Leroux, and she is very interesting to watch. She does a lot of research on parenting and how parenting is affected by the type of social class your family is in. So you will watch her video and you will record some information learned from her video in your writing activity. You are welcome to do additional research as well, as long as you take that research and put it in your own words and share the web page link where you got that information from. There are also 2 reflection questions at the bottom of the writing activity. This sums up everything that must be done to complete session 5. As always, make sure that you are reaching out with questions or concerns and working ahead of the deadline.